How's going on, guys? This is Molen from Badari Digital Media. In this video, we will learn how to create a realistic environment scene in Blender like this. For reference, I'm going to use those images. References are very helpful for lighting, scaling measurements, and detailing. When we talk about creating a realistic environment scene, what is the major aspect? Number 1 is assets quality. Number 2, texture. Number 3, lighting. And number 4, software capability. The question is, what are they available to me? Yes, there are a lot of high quality assets and textures on the internet, and you can make it yourself. It's possible. And what about lighting and software? The answer is Blender has a great lighting system like sky texture, or you can use HDRI as environment lighting. High quality HDRIs are available on the internet, and Blender has the ability to render a realistic scene with the cycle render engine. That's it. You just need to believe in yourself that I can make. Grass is very important for the environmental landscape, so I'm gonna use Scatter 5 Blender add-on to scatter the grasses. This is a great add-on with advanced feature. If you want to buy this add-on, I will give the link in the description. With simple steps, you can easily scatter grasses, trees, everything with this add-on. So let's start. I'm gonna add a plane for the ground. Scale it twice. Subdivide it 10 times in edit mode. And once more. Click on professional editing to enable it, and I will add some high detail on the ground. And we're gonna scatter the grass with the Scatter 5 add-on. Click N for the side menu panel and open the Scatter 5 add-on. Pick or choose with the drop icon where you are going to scatter. Go to the edit menu and click on Preference. Select an inbuilt biome and click on the plus icon. If you don't know how to use Scatter 5 add-on, I will make a tutorial on it. Now I have a realistic grass on the ground. I'm gonna add a camera. Scatter 5 has camera optimization features. Display only where the camera can see. I'm gonna use this feature to avoid viewport lagging. Enable it for all items. For environment lighting, I'm gonna use HDRI. I download it from HDRI Heaven. For texturing, I'm going to use PBR texture, which is available for free on internet.
to a place where I felt at home.
I'm gonna use those assets. I download it from Sketchfab.
When the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Now I am gonna add subsurface value on the mushroom shader for realism. Also on green caladium flan shader. Now I am gonna add a butterfly for extra realism. I download it from Sketchfab. First, I need to add bone to the wings for butterfly flying animations. Let's add armature. Press Shift D to copy it in edit mode. Attach it to all 4 wings. Now I am gonna parent all the wings with the bones one by one. First, select the wing and then select the bone. Go into pose mode and select the bone you want to parent the wing with. Then press Ctrl V and press on the bone option. Do it with others. I'm gonna animate the butterfly. I'm gonna add a curve for the direction the butterfly is flying. then add a follow path modifier to the armature in object mode. If the butterfly is not moving in the direction you want, check and change the forward axis in the modifier setting. If all is well, then set the keyframe to an offset value. Thanks for watching.